Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you two different ways to level your top load washer. First, you'll need to make sure it's in the desired position in your home. Let's get started. If your washing machine isn't leveled properly, it can become unbalanced, move around, or cause excess vibration during the spin cycle. This washer only has front leveling legs, so the range of adjustment is very limited. If the floor in your home is not very level, you may not be able to properly level the washer. First, make sure that all corners of the washer are in contact with the ground and that the washer does not rock. Now, we'll show you how to level the washer using a level. You'll need to place the level here, across the side, and here, along the top. Depending on which way the machine is leaning, you'll need to adjust the appropriate leveling leg or legs. To adjust the legs, turn them clockwise to raise the washer, or counterclockwise to lower the washer. You may need to use a channel lock pliers, or raise the corner of the washer that you're adjusting with a block of wood. With the level on the side and aligned with the seam, if the bubble is going towards the front of the washer, you'll need to lower the front legs. If you don't have enough adjustment out of the front legs, one solution that we found to slightly raise the rear is to remove the rubber foot and install fender washers between the foot and the chassis. Please note that this is not approved by the manufacturer. With the level on the lid, if the bubble is left of center, you'll either need to lower the left leg or raise the right leg. Another way to check level of the washer is by filling it with water. To do this, fill the washer with water just below the pulsator level. If the pulsator is positioned off-center to the water, the washer needs to be leveled by adjusting the legs. For example, if the water is shifted to the front, you will need to raise the front legs. When leveled correctly, the pulsator should be positioned at the center of the water. If you need any parts for your washing machine, such as a leveling leg, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct parts. With the washer leveled, run the washer through a spin cycle to drain any water that's in the washer and to test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.